Hi, this is Richard from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a Mazda CX-3, stock reference number 5848. This shape ran from the 3rd of 2015 to the 5th of 2018. It has a SkyActiv-D 4-cylinder 1.5 litre turbo diesel engine backed by an auto all-wheel drive transmission. Here we have our SkyActiv-D 4-cylinder 1.5 litre turbo diesel engine. Left-hand headlight. Left guard, no dents. Bonnet, no dents. Left front wheel. Factory alloy mag. 18-inch rim with good tyre. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear wheel, factory alloy mag. 18-inch rim, good tyre. Left hand tail light, tailgate, no dents. Right hand tail light, right rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 18-inch rim with good tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front wheel, factory alloy mag, 18-inch rim, good tyre. Right hand headlight. Center console. Gear stick. Heat AC controls. Sat nav display. Interior mirror. Left hand sun visor. Courtesy light. Right hand sun visor. And a tidy 3-spoke vinyl leather steering wheel with audio cruise and phone buttons.